Here I have XIAOMI Redmi 9C, and today I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section, and here you have to find this MIUI version line and just tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message, you are now a developer. And now you can find your developer options in the additional settings here. Here you have all of these developer options. You can also disable developer options here, and they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.